Hello and welcome back. I hope that everyone out there is having an amazing day today. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be unboxing the December The Box from Fashionsta. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this month's box, stay tuned. If you're not familiar with The Box, it is a monthly beauty subscription from Fashionsta where you receive 5 to 7 full-size beauty products each month for $19.99. And the beauty products are supposed to be from up-and-coming brands. The box has a value each month of between $80 and $150. Now I will tell you, if you are interested in this box, it will be going up to $24.99 as of January. But if you're already a current subscriber, you will be grandfathered in at the $19.99 per month. With that said, let's go ahead and see what came inside of the box this month. When you receive the box each month, it comes packaged like this in a black box with the box on the front, and on the other side is my address. So let's open it up. That's what the packaging looks like. And on top there it says, I can't see what it says. It says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. And then it just goes on to say, I want to personally welcome you to hashtag the Box by Fashionsta Glam Fam, a consciously curated collection of classic brands, plus the unveiling of new and emerging brands boxed and delivered to your door each month. And just again, there's a quick look at how it's packaged, and that's the top of the box. Okay, so the first thing I pulled out was this little card, and it says Family Crisis Center. With every box purchase, you're helping 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in the form of monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with the intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. So I guess that they donate to this particular organization. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out of here is New Year, New You 2020 20% off. Okay, so it says 20% off, use code NEW. Okay, and on the other side it gives a full listing of what's inside of the box for this month. All right, so let's dive in. The first thing I'm pulling out of the box is from Teami. And that's what that looks like. It is actually Soothe Tea Infused Oil, Lavender Sage. Let's see what that is. What's that about? Oh, that looks really interesting. Look at that. Has all kinds of stuff floating around in that box. Now let me see what it says about this oil. Looks quite interesting. It says Soothe Facial Oil is infused with lavender, sage, and blue tansy oil to provide deep calming sensations to the skin. Oils are a pure form of moisturizer that seamlessly absorbs into the deeper layers of your skin, leaving it soft, nourished, and glowing. And it's perfect for all skin types. Great. Okay, and it says use the dropper to apply 3 to 4 drops into the palm of your hand or directly onto your skin. Rub the oil together to warm it up and apply to your skin in a circular motion. Use oils in the morning before you put on your makeup and before bed. The oils absorb into the skin and leave it protected all day long. So this is supposed to be good under your makeup, which is nice. It's very pretty. I actually like the way it looks inside of the bottle, that blue color with all the little stuff floating around in there. And I do like face oil, so this is good to have. I would definitely be giving this a try. And it says this face oil retails for $40. Okay, the next thing I'm pulling out of the box is from Rosy Cheeks, and it's a facial scrub. Okay, it looks kind of interesting. And let's see what this says. This exfoliating facial cleanser with rose petals gently exfoliates and eliminates dead skin cells. Okay, so how to use: apply a small amount to the face and gently wash. Remove with water and dry. Okay, again, that's what that looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. It actually smells really good. You can smell the rose scent in here. And I love the smell of roses, so that's very nice. That's what it looks like. It's like a creamy type of formula. Can you see that? I'm trying to get it to focus for you. Not sure how much you guys can see that, but that's what it looks like. It's a creamy type of formula. I'll go ahead and take a little bit and put it on my hand. It smells really good. Okay. The next item in the box looks like a bath bomb. CBD Pain Reliever Bath Bomb. Let's see what that says. It says CBD Bath Bomb valued at $12. $12 for this? That seems kind of high for one bath bomb, but let's go ahead and read on. It says, wash away the stress of the day in pools of refreshing eucalyptus and mint. The graceful combination of Epsom salt and coconut oil dances away aches and dry skin. Meanwhile, wintergreen and peppermint oil quiet your stress. Use one bath bomb in a tub of water to soothe your body's stress. So obviously you just go ahead and throw this in the bath when you run your water. But again, $12 for a bath bomb just seems like a lot to me. All right, the next item in the box is from Crescent Moon. And I'm reading the back. It says 4-color eyeshadow. Let's take a peek at that. That's what it looks like again. Okay. Oh, these colors are really pretty. Okay. It's a little quad eyeshadow palette, and it does have a mirror, which is nice. And those are the 4 colors. They're really quite pretty. Very, very pretty. Go ahead and swatch those for you. Okay, so here's what those eyeshadows look like swatched. They are absolutely gorgeous, and they swatched really well. They feel really buttery when you stick your finger in them, and I like that. Can't wait to play with those. Let me go ahead and tell you the colors. The first one here is Calypso, which is that real pretty blue, and then this is New Moon. It's almost a black with like bluish, purplish specks of glitter in it. Very, very pretty. The next one is called Zenith, and that's that pretty poppin' pink there. And the last one is Ophelia, and that's like a glitter with different colors throughout. It's like purple, and when you move it, it seems to shift to different colors. Very, very pretty. Okay, really, really like this. This is my favorite thing in the box so far. And it says that this eyeshadow palette is valued at $45. For 4 eyeshadows? They're absolutely gorgeous, but I can tell you that I would not pay $45 for 4 eyeshadows. Just wouldn't happen. But I'm glad to have it since it came in the box, right? All right, so moving on. The next thing that we have in the box is, it looks like another palette here. It's from Cara Beauty, and it's called Glo Gitter, and it's a highlighter palette. Let me go ahead and open this up real quick. Okay, so that's what that looks like out of the paper. And it just slides right out, so we'll do that. And there's the packaging. And let's open it up. Oh, these are really pretty, really pretty. There's 6 highlighters in here, and they are very, very pretty. And I think they would suit a variety of skin tones. That's what those look like. And again, there is a mirror on this palette as well. I really like these colors. Let's swatch a couple of them. Why don't we? Okay, so I actually went ahead and swatched all of them as well, and they're very pretty. These are the 6 highlighters, hope you can see that. And that's from they're going in order from the first one in the pan to the last one in the pan. And those are very, very nice. I really do believe that they would fit a variety of skin tones, and you can actually probably mix them together to create your own custom colors as well. All right, so that's very nice. I love this as well. And it says the value of this is $15, which is very reasonable. Okay, I can get with $15, not the $45 for the 4 eyeshadows. Okay, we have one last item in the box, and that is a soothing selfie prep sheet mask with tea tree oil, lavender, peppermint, rosemary, chamomile, and flower water. And that's what that looks like. And this is valued at $7. Okay, I guess that's not too bad. And I always love getting sheet masks. I have a ton of sheet masks and I use them very often, so I'm never mad at getting some more sheet masks to add to my collection. Okay guys, so that is everything that came in the box from Fashionsta this month. Now, I really do like this month. I think it was really good. I've actually been getting this box for probably about 4 months now. Actually, this is my 4th box. So I've had it for a little while, and I do like it. Last month was okay to me, and the month before last was kind of okay, but this month I actually really, really do like it. And I think for $19.99, it's a pretty good deal. Like I said though, they will be going up to $24.99 starting in January, which for the products you get in the box is still pretty reasonable for $24.99. But anyway, guys, let me know if any of you received the box and what your thoughts were on the box this month and the past boxes that we received. If you don't receive it but would like some more information, I'll go ahead and leave a link to their website down in the description box below. But anyway, that's all that I have for today. Thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me today. I truly, truly do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.